Imagine a home where every detail adds to your comfort in a community where neighbors become friends. Hi, I'm Debbie Chawarda with RE/MAX Niagara, your guide to finding hidden gems in Niagara. And today I am thrilled to bring you this little gem at 5 Kirby Street in the Village in Niagara-On-The-Lake. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by an airy 2-story great room flooded with natural light that highlights the soothing, natural tones of this charming home. The heart of the home is this beautifully appointed kitchen, paired with a dining area that's ideal for hosting dinner parties or enjoying family meals. The main floor is thoughtfully designed for both convenience and comfort. Here, you'll find a well-equipped laundry room that doubles as a charming coffee bar, an ideal nook for your morning brew. This floor also provides direct access to the beautifully landscaped backyard and the attached single-car garage, ensuring every aspect of your home is both accessible and welcoming. Now let's head up to the loft, where you'll find not just a cozy bedroom and a full bathroom, but also a fantastic sitting area. This spot overlooks the great room, offering a perfect perch to enjoy a book or simply relax and take in the view below. It's a private retreat within your home that adds an extra layer of charm and functionality to this delightful property. The main floor is designed for convenience and elegance, featuring a seamless living area and a master suite that promises comfort and privacy. It's the perfect retreat after a day exploring your favorite winery or taking in the play at the Shaw. Downstairs, you'll find a partially finished basement featuring a rec room, an additional bedroom, and a full bathroom. All that's missing really is your choice of flooring. There's also a workshop and a hobby room, offering ample space for creativity and storage. Living here means more than just a beautiful home, it's a lifestyle. With a newly added medical building, including life labs, and easy access to local vineyards and cultural attractions, everything you need is right at your doorstep. This home isn't a place to just live, it's a place to love. So call or text me today at 905-321-9997 to experience this home for yourself. Cheers to Niagara.